Hello students, welcome back. We're going to do a quick cleaning up your palette tutorial just so you kind of get an overview of what you should be doing. So I finished my painting. I've got a palette knife. I've got 2 little scoops of paint. I'm going to save those and put those up to the kind of paint storage side of my palette. So this is a glass palette. You would do the same thing with a wood palette. And I'm going to take my palette knife and scrape up the paint as best I can. I'm going to wipe it on that red t-shirt rag there. You can go in different directions. The idea is I'm just trying to get the majority of the paint from the mixing area off and away before I start to use something else to kind of wipe it off. So I scrape that off, clean that off just a little bit, put that to the side, and so now I'm going to grab my rag and I'm going to take it and I'm going to dip it into my medium. So I've got a little bit of medium on there, or terps, and then I'm just going to start to kind of smear that around. You could also use a brush to spread this around and then wipe it up with a paper towel or a rag. But the idea is you want to leave this area clean on your palette. When this is clean, that means that you can mix there next time. And if you let paint dry onto this area, you're going to be competing with those colors and that paint on that section. So you don't want to really leave any paint there. With a glass palette like this, you can just wipe it away. Same thing with a wood palette. If you have a disposable palette, I would just save the gobs of paint and then throw away the rest. But once you've wiped this all down, it's clean, it's ready to go, and you can start painting. Next time, I'm going to just take my brushes here, dip them in the medium, get a little more paint off by just putting it on the rag there, and then ready to go to the sink and wash our brushes.